Can you download music in Spotify? Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys if it is possible for you to download songs in Spotify. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's get started. The first thing that you need to do is open up your Spotify and make sure that you are logged into your account to download any songs. So if you are trying to download a particular song, and you play that song, then you will not be able to do so because there is no download button. But what you need to do is go ahead and add the song to a playlist, or you can just add it to your liked songs. And once you add the song to your playlist, you can go back and head over to your library tab at the bottom right corner, and once you do so, all you need to do is tap on the playlist that you've just created, and then from here you'll see this download button. But unfortunately, you cannot download any songs from here as you need the premium. So you are not able to do so. But if you really want to download this offline, you'll just have to go ahead and explore the premium services, and the student plan is the cheapest, so you can go ahead and try it for free. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I will see you guys on the next one.